What's up, guys? Today we're there belly here again and buck up on another piece of land. See Annie there? Say hi, guys.
How are you?
Annie know
Hey
what say, Annie.
guys.
Look, see some dog fall in love. Annie find puppy.
Them go and play.
Annie find puppy.
What a follow back from here?
Annie find puppy.
What kind of puppy then? Don't even know. Come on, leave me alone.
Yeah, so today we're there belly here again and see another piece of land for sale. See there? It's like, yeah, see there? So nice house there. So this is the piece of land we say for sale. Over there, so Cardiff Hall over there, so in the hills. So this is the piece of for sale. See the sign? So if you're interested, just dial a number. See? If you look, you see the wall here, so this show you how far back the boundary go. See it there? See if you can zoom it in. Alright, see how far back the way there? The boundary. Well, it bush up, you know, so I know how I want, so we're not going to chop it out. So that's a show now. So anyone interested, just dial the number. Yeah. Just dial the number, see eh? Wow, so 876-441-4711. Land for sale, Bel Air. Bel Air Runaway Bay. And as you said, see the road, you have some nice house on it already. Some nice house finish. See there? See any friend there? And so you have one next, your neighbor. Wanna build up next door? Two. Yeah, two start next door. Two start next door. Yeah, so two start next door. One over there, so. And one more here, so. And now, that's the piece of land for sale over there, so. So see the view. See the view. Yeah guys, so that's it. We'll drive through Bel Air, look. Anything for sale and just put it up. I know a lot of people interested in finding property overseas. Just subscribe to the channel when you see them. And we'll drive up and down and look for land. Anywhere we're there, right Annie? Yep. We'll look for land. Land, house, anything for sale. If I'm a old car, so my old van is a while ago. We'll put it fine. There again. Land over there, so you see here. They say you see one house start there, so one start there, so that's a street. See? That's it. One more time, I'm showing you the number again. So where bungee there? Bungee there somewhere here, so. Yeah, bungee there somewhere here, so. Yeah, bungee there about there, so. Come all the way up here, so. Alright guys, so that's it. And guys, remember, like, share, subscribe. I'll go and look some more. Anything we see for sale, I'll put it up. Anything, right, Annie?
Yes, anything.
And remember, say hi. Say hi. Hi.
What's that? I'm so friendly, man.